Education is the most powerful tool to shape young minds, and the right foundation makes all the difference. I had the privilege of visiting Little Pearls Play School Vasant Vihar for their open house event, and I was absolutely in awe. From the vibrant culture to their thoughtfully designed, innovative learning modules, every corner of the school reflects a passion for nurturing creativity, curiosity, and joy. Experiencing this alongside the legendary Abha Adams, founder of the Sri Ram School, made it even more inspiring. Little Pearls is truly a magical space where young minds are empowered to dream, explore, and thrive.
Okay, hi everyone. So I'm a mother of two. It's lovely to be here, and I am very, very happy to attend this seminar that took place over here. And I'm definitely looking forward, to put my little one in this school. And I think all these kind of a sessions and things should take place oftenly. And I was just mesmerized by the interaction of the teachers, the circle time that you were having, and the kind of the songs, the playtime that you were telling you do is like wonderful, wonderful. So all the best, and I am just loving the aura that your school has created with the parents and the connection that you've connected just in 1 hour. So I'm just loving it.
Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, we are here at Little Pearls. So we got an invitation through somebody to visit this school and have a look for a session. And I would love to say it was a very interactive session and we really enjoyed it. These kind of sessions should be really, be happening very frequently for parents as well, not only for kids. I mean, the kind of activity, the kind of circle time, we really had a lot of fun. And yes, the little one she's 3 months old. I would really looking forward. Yeah, I mean, I'm actually thinking about sending her here when she grows. I mean, she's at that age of going to school. The kind of setup what they have, the kind of activities, I actually loved it, and it was really interesting.
Here at Little Pearl School, I think it's a small kingdom for babies, for kids, and I still feel like I should go back in the memory lane, join the school again, and come back and play here. It is so beautiful, ma'am. Many congratulations for this beautiful school.
Thank you
and
so
the
much.
way you've conducted the morning seminar, the circle time, I think I have no words to say. The way it was really warm and charged up. We're all charged up after that activity. What do you say, Rachna, about this?
Oh, that was lovely. Actually, I was not expecting that, but when I came and just jumped onto it, I was so happy naturally. I was not forcing it, and after that, I saw my child also. He was little skeptical ki kya ho raha hai, what is happening. He was just sitting grumpy mood, but once he looked around and went up, he was so charged up and happy. He was like, just let me be. I'm enjoying, I'm loving. So if my 9-year-old can enjoy this ambience, the amount of the teachers have the energy. So I just believe that all the kids who will be here, they will be nurtured beautifully. They will have the best of their themselves in them, and above all, they will be happy, which is the most important thing for any human being, because our existence means we should be happy wherever we are. So I just loved the ambience, the energy, and the whole anthu. Everything was amazing. I loved it.
Thank you so much.
Exceptionally well crafted, even you check the tiniest details, the way you come up, even the color combination scheme, everything is just amazing. What I really loved about this place is the free structure. Choose what you want to do, and which is so beautiful, because these days I think we're not giving the freedom to kids to think, to choose. It is all structured,
Yes.
and it is so amazing to say, do whatever you feel like, sit wherever, whatever. So I think that gives them a lot of freedom and curiosity to learn more, explore more.
Absolutely.
And that's how I think that should be the end goal. What do you say about this, ma'am?
Absolutely. We want to empower our children with the right choices. But if we don't give them an opportunity, they'll never know what they want to do. They'll become too used to direction. We are there, we are the parachute for our children. We are not going to let them fall, when they're not safe. But somehow we have to trust them and let them be natural explorers. And make choices and go with what attracts them, because each child is different. Our classrooms have activity corners, so we like our child to make that choice of what do I want to start my day with. So that's what we're going to be doing here.
Amazing. Going out of the blue, out of the rules, breaking everything. Not exactly breaking, but getting that freedom to think, to do, to choose, which is so beautiful, because I think these days we don't give choices to our kids in terms of studying, in terms of learning, and I think it is so beautiful. Very well done, ma'am. We have a special instructor of phonics who's come up just to explore the school, and the school looks really amazing. She's an author, and we would love to know your feedback about the school, ma'am.
Yeah, so I'm a Jolly Phonics trained instructor. So what I have found amazing in this school is the way you created an environment here for the children. It's amazing. It's a free play for them, and I saw the Montessori activities which really inspired me. You know, the other kids to make them comfortable to join the school, and the way you planned the activities here, it's amazing. And through phonics, we can make the every child read, comfortably. Because when we were in school, what we found is that we used to do the reading to the traditional method. But now through Jolly Phonics or through phonics, every child can read it fluently and confidently. So this is what I like the best of this school. So all the best, and kudos to you the way you are grooming the other children as well.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
it's perfectly fine, because the small treadmills which the students are walking on, it was too lovely to be sent anyone to here. I totally mesmerized the memory I have taken here, and every kid will be safest with all the teachers, and the way all the teachers have treated us and greeted the students when they come in the morning. That's perfectly fine. That's great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So this journey of mine as a I have been to play school at, I think so, first time in my life.
Really?
Yeah, because it never happened. I was a totally corporate kind of a person. So this is my first experience, and really it is overwhelming. And the kind of energy this particular area is having now, it's really influential. And things are very minutely and very things are very quite observing here. You can observe to an extent, how things have kept, how things are organized. This is really very influential and very inspiring. Really, it's a kind of a thing which I haven't seen.
I think this is our director, Mrs. Fire Seth, and our executive director, Namrata Seth. I mean, they put their minds together and they just keep adding new elements to the school.
And everything is so organized. Yeah, everything is so organized and well thought of.
Yes, true.
This is very important for a journey for a child. It is well thought of. Well
said, because everything you have seen in the classroom is actually the child's need.
Yeah.
So ma'am has always thought, okay, this is the board, the child needs to have access to it.
Yeah,
so we have a lot of Bala elements like building as learning aids. You'll see on the walls there are lots of elements that children can play with, and it's like fixed there. So it's not that you have to bring out material to have fun and explore. It's right there.
Yeah,
So
children. There are
good
things
part.
where children can play, and there are things that children can stare at.
Yes.
And for ample amount of time they can stare at, and this brings the creativity out of any observation.
Perception, all these things are so
Very
important,
important.
and they're automatically learning it because
Yeah,
it's
sure.
the kind of environment you've provided, and everything is so much connected to nature. That's the best part I felt like. The things, the elements you've used, just everything from the nature.
Nature.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Moving again, progressing in the way, keeping in mind the sustainability goals also.
Yes.
I just saw an owl there.
Yes.
It was quite sustainable thing. It's kept there.
Yes.
And
Stars, using leaves,
yeah.
small stems, every part of it which we feel is waste, but no, the way you've been incorporated sustainability, I think that's the next
That's a-
level.
That's a key driving force for us.
Kudos to you, because that's what we're training our younger generation to do.
Yeah, true.
They are all copycat. Whatever we're gonna do, they'll just copy that, and then moving towards a better world.
So true, well said. That's our aspiration also. Our children must actually take responsibility, and they will make the world a better place.
Next, they are the torch bearers. We need to hand over to them.
Yeah, preserving is also an art.
Absolutely.
So that's more important.